Good afternoon, everyone. It is May 28th here at KIT Iizuka, fourth period. This is English 7D. Today, you have your test. And I wanted to take this opportunity before the test to just remind you just about a couple of things. First of all, you have a reflection this week, as usual, and that's still due on this Friday. So even after the test is done, don't forget you still have a reflection to do. This is about how to connect sounds like a native speaker. If you have never understood or you've never really known that we do this, this is really, really important to learning how to speak like a native speaker, but more importantly, to understand English when it's spoken at you. If you don't know how to do this, spoken English sounds very, very strange. I also want to mention that if you look at the academic calendar will look like this. If you click on here, it'll look like this. And here, June 11th, okay, today is the 28th, and next week is the test generally, but we're going to have the test for you guys this week. And the week after that is the 11th. And the 11th, we don't have any classes. I don't know if you guys have anything to do with this common test, but we don't have any classes on the 11th. Whoops. We will return on the 18th. And I guess that's about it. Okay, I also want to make sure that everybody has a partner for the speaking test. The speaking test is next week. Today is the Moodle test. The speaking test is next week, and I want to make sure about the people who don't have partners yet. And I'll do that after we make this recording. Good luck with the test. Remember, if you finish the test early, you can pack up quietly and leave when you're done. If you ever have any questions, you can contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com or come and talk to me here in class. Thanks very much, everybody. Good luck on the test.